Hi Ryan, it's Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video to show you how to get new leads to your website, and hopefully this is good information for you, okay? So to start, I'm going to talk about 3 aspects that Google looks for when ranking different websites along their Google platform. Number 1, and probably the most important for organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your business site. And as I see here, you don't have any on your home page. So let me tell you and give you an example for why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always your #1 search result, right? Why is that? It's because it has so much content. Every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds different content-rich sites and moves them to the top of the Google platform. So knowing this and doing some competition research for different competitors in your area, I'm going to suggest you have about 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to allow you to get found by Google when it does its annual sweep every few weeks, okay? With that said, on every additional service page, so let's say you do upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, window cleaning, any house cleaning, any other service you offer, car cleaning, obviously from your logo. We need to have a separate page for each service. This does 2 things for us. Number 1, for every new page, we add between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And again, what do we know about content? Google loves it. So the more we have, the higher and easier it is to just move up those rankings, which is what we want. Number 2, it allows us to put specific keywords on our page and be found for certain searches. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I did just a basic Google search for carpet cleaning, Shreveport, Louisiana. This would be a keyword. So that type of keyword needs to be put in to the content on your web page so that you can be found every time. Hundreds of people search this every month. The very first thing that shows up when I do a basic search is this Google map. And from the get-go, these top 3 competitors are going to get the most clientele based on visibility alone, which is what every business owner wants, correct? We want our business name and information to be in front of as many people as possible. That's going to up our exposure as well as up the possibility of us getting new leads and some new clients. So how do we get to the top of this list? Well, if you don't have a GMB, we would create one. In doing so, we need to add citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. The more of those we get, we start climbing the ladder till we start beating the number of citations our competitors have. I do have the ability to see how many your current competition has, to know how many you would need to beat them, which I'm happy to go over with you if it's something that you're interested in looking deeper into. With that said, that's going to get us a lot more exposure and get us a lot of visibility, ranking higher on that Google platform. Lastly, I'm going to talk about something called a backlink. And a backlink is anywhere that your business website is linkable and clickable on another business website. And by doing this, think like HomeAdvisor.com or Angie's List. When we get our website on a site that has a ton of traffic to it and is good and trusted by Google, that's going to throw a lot of influence back to our website, which is what we want. And the more influence we have directed back to us, the more Google sees us as a trusted site and begins to give us more leads from the get-go. Well, I hope this was good information for you, Ryan. That's all I have for you today. If it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about this video. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them as well. But for now, that's all I have for you. So I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll be in touch soon. Bye-bye.